Hi everyone, we're going out for lunch now. I just picked her up from school, as you can see in her uniform. If you're familiar with Harbor City or Qua Qua or DImsum Break from Cebu, which is known for their famous steamed fried rice, there is a restaurant here that serves that. So you don't need to really fly to Cebu anymore just for their sweet and sour pork and steamed fried rice. Being the nice guy that I am, I'm gonna let you in on my little secret. Here we go. We're going to Tsim Sha Tsui. Okay, so I'm here at Bayani Road. This is the restaurant that I was talking about, Tsim Sha Tsui. There's one in the airport, and to be honest, that's actually a nicer branch than this. This is really literally a hole in the wall. It is very small. It's like a glorified cabinet. But to me, all that matters is that if it tastes as good as Harbor City and Cebu, or even just come a little bit close, I'm happy. There you go. This is it. This is a very small area. Rain's favorite food is hakao.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about hakao? Why do you like it so much? Because it's good. This is Rain's favorite hakao. She is the hakao monster. As you can see, she's waiting for me to finish. I'm taking a video of it. These are the meat spring rolls. Back in Cebu, I really love this. So I'm hoping it tastes the same. So one of the very few shrimp dishes that I eat is shrimp toast. Harbor City sweet and sour is one of my favorites. So if Tsim Sha Tsui comes close to it, then I'm gonna be very happy. I'll be back often. Of course, this is a famous steamed fried rice. This is the one that I hope tastes good. Got it. Very similar. Sweet and sour pork. Yeah. I would say 90% accurate. So I'm going to be going here often. The rice has a nice fruitiness with the sauce on top. It's fried at the bottom. And sweet and sour. The glazing isn't as good as in Cebu, but the flavor naman is spot on. I like how they still use bigger fatty meat. Try the spring roll next. Good. Not too oily. Perfect with the rice. Perfect with sweet and sour sauce. I'm gonna try the shrimp toast. It tastes best with sweet and sour sauce. Got it. That's pretty much it. Pretty much Harbor City DImsum Break. If you're a big fan of that, DImsum Break in Cebu. Oh my god, I am so full, and I am so happy that I discovered Tsim Sha Tsui here in Taguig area. Everything was fantastic. I noticed that the steamed rice, the texture of the sauce is thicker than usual, but the seasoning was perfect. Rain annihilated the hakao, but I did have to promise her that we would come back. It's affordable, but don't expect anything with regards to ambiance. This is really a hole in the wall. People who love Harbor City or DImsum Break or Qua Qua, Hao, and all of that, great news. Tsim Sha Tsui is open in Taguig. Yeah, rejoice! So happy. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. You know, if there's a place that you feel that I should check out or something, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. Alright? Thanks again, guys. See you soon.